All right, hey, what's going on? It's Seattle Brandon. We're going to go over question 28 in LeetCode, find the index of the first occurrence in a string. So essentially they call it like the needle in the haystack. So basically you're just trying to find like a substring inside of a string, and then return the index of the very first letter in it. So like sad, they have like sadbutsad, it'd be 0 because like this is the beginning of the first word of the needle inside of the haystack. And then this one, if there isn't a needle in the haystack, then you just return -1. So I have a couple on here. Here's just some edge cases that they throw at me. Like if it's like A, like the needle is A and like the haystack is A, then just return 0. Or there's also one if it's like AB, or something like that, it'll throw off our loop. So we just basically like return like the last index. So those are just a couple edge cases right there, but we're going to start off with this for I in range, and then we're going to do a special one here because we're basically going to be taking like little chunks, and so we're going to be like, does this chunk work, does this chunk work, this one, and kind of move down. So we're going to do the length of the haystack minus the length of the needle, and then we're going to add +2. Okay. And then we're basically going to be like, if haystack I plus length of needle then equals needle return I. Then if we can't find that, return -1. Okay, yeah, so basically like if our chunk like that we have there equals the needle, then return -1. And we do this that way because we don't have to check all the way to the very end. Because it's like if you go to every single character inside of it, like you're going to be going over a list that doesn't exist. So yeah, and then if not, return -1. We're going to submit. All right, sweet. Let me know if you have any questions.